There is an age too young to be a king. At just 12 years old, a boy became the ruler of Joseon. His name was Danjong. After his father's sudden death, he was placed on the throne without time to prepare. But the throne never waits. Around the young king, officials governed in his place, and everything seemed calm. Yet beneath that calm, something was beginning to crack. At the center of it all stood one man, his uncle, Grand Prince Suyong. His eyes were fixed on the throne, and one day that fragile balance collapsed. The palace turned to blood, loyal officials were killed, and power shifted in an instant. The young king could do nothing. He gave up his crown. From king to just a boy, even his name was taken. He became Prince Nosan, and he was sent away to Yangwol, a place surrounded by river and cliffs, like a prison with no escape. There he spent his days looking at the sky. Once a ruler of a nation, he became someone no one came to see. Only the wind spoke to him, and the river carried time away. But the world was not done with him. There were whispers, an attempt to restore him, a small, quiet hope. But that hope turned into tragedy. The plan was discovered, and those loyal to him were executed. And in that moment, his fate was sealed. 16 years old, before he could even become an adult, his life came to an end. That day, no one cried out loud. The death of a king was handled in silence. His name drifted along the river, and the world moved on as if nothing had happened. But people remembered. A king who rose too early and disappeared too soon. Danjong. His life was short, but his story endured. Power fades, but stories remain. And even now, we remember the boy king.
Curious about Korean history? If you have questions about Korea, please like, comment, and subscribe!